Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Erinn and today I'm excited to actually share a topic with you that one of you commented on my videos, and I thought, well, this is perfect. I'm just gonna make a video about this. The question that this subscriber had was, I want to start playing with herbs and working with herbs and the plants, but I'm afraid I'm gonna poison myself. And you know what? That is a legitimate concern, and I hear you, and so I want to make this video to help make the process a little bit easier and just ease your mind as you're stepping into playing with the herbs. So my first tip on this is how to not poison yourself is to start with herbs that you are familiar with. Plants that you've already worked with, that you likely have in your kitchen, in your grocery store, plants that are familiar to you, so that when you start using them, you kind of already have a gauge of what's too much, when to use it, how not to use it. For example, I'm sure if you're watching this video, you've used or eaten ginger before, and I'm pretty sure that you know enough about ginger, even if you really don't know that much about it, that you know enough not to overconsume ginger to the point that you're going to poison yourself or make yourself sick. Am I right? So this is why it's really helpful to start with easy herbs that you already know. Herbalism can feel really intimidating and really overwhelming because there is so much to learn. And even for people who are already herbalists, maybe professional herbalists who know a lot about herbalism or know a lot about plants, even they don't know everything there is to know. It's such a vast topic. That's why I think it's so important to make it accessible for those of us and those of you who are beginning on your journey, because likely if you're here on my channel, you're just looking to have some fun with herbs. You're looking to get creative. Maybe you're looking to, feel more empowered in your health and your family's health. Maybe you want to teach your children how to use herbs. Maybe you just want to feel more connected with the earth or have a new creative project to do. But I would imagine that you're probably not trying to prescribe people, become a practitioner, or create advanced medicines. At least maybe not right now. And if that's where you are right now, you're probably not watching this. So if that's where you are, if you're just at the beginning of your journey and you're just wanting to play with plants, have fun, boost your health, get creative, all of those things, then I just want to encourage you to start simple. Start easy, start simple, start with plants you already know. I also want to mention before we get in deeper to this video that I have an Herbalism for Beginners playlist and a recipes playlist. So if you do want to get started, those are really great places to start, where I have simple recipes with herbs that you probably already know. So I want to give you a few herbs that you can start with that are maybe already in your kitchen and are definitely in your grocery store. So the simple herbs that you can start with that I'm just sharing in this video are chamomile, ginger, rosemary, basil, and turmeric. So these are all plants that you can find, herbs that you can find in your local grocery store if you go into the spices section, the tea section, or the fresh herbs section in your produce. So these are great places to start. These are herbs that you can put into your food, you can make teas with, you can make herbal oils with. You don't have to do anything fancy. You can use herbal vinegars with, you can use them in herbal baths. There's so many things that you can do with these basic herbs. Now, if you're wanting support, if you're wanting to get some guidance around how to begin your herbalism journey with these basic herbs, check in the description. I'll put a link down there to any current classes that I'm hosting that I feel like could be a benefit to you. So this is what I did on my herbalism journey. I just started to play with herbs that I already knew. For example, chamomile. Chamomile is an herb that is near and dear to my heart. It reminds me of my mother, the smell of it. It just feels really nurturing and gentle and sweet to me. It helps with digestion, which is one of my physical challenges personally, and I just love it. So I just want to encourage you to pick herbs that you already know. Maybe there's even herbs that aren't on the list that I gave, that you already know, that you're already familiar with, maybe that you already have. Those are great places to start. Herbs that you have a relationship, that you feel comfortable with, that you're not worried about contraindications, like if you're pregnant or have any other physical issues, this is a great place to start. These herbs are gentle, they're easy to use, and you can just do simple things like making herbal baths, herbal vinegars, herbal honeys, or even just simply tea. So before we complete this video, I just want to share with you some great places that I recommend to get bulk herbs and other herbal goodies in case you're looking for resources around that. So the first one I want to share is Mountain Rose Herbs, and this is where I get the majority of my bulk herbs. They're responsibly sourced and they're organic, so check out Mountain Rose Herbs. The other place I look is Starwest Botanicals. Similarly to Mountain Rose, I don't have as much experience with them, but I have ordered herbs from there that have been great quality. I also recommend checking out Anima Mundi. Now, she is a New York, Brooklyn based female-owned business. She's also located in Costa Rica. She has a bunch of organic, wild-crafted, and sustainably sourced herbs and herbal blends and medicines as well. A great company to support. I also want to recommend Banyan Botanicals, which is an Ayurvedic herbal company. They have great bulk herbs. They also have herbal blends. They have tons of herbal education, and they have a dosha quiz where you can go, you can learn about your physical constitution anywhere that you may be out of balance, and some things that you can do, some herbs that you can use to help correct that balance. You can also, as I said, go to your local grocery store, check in the tea aisle, check in the spices aisle, and check in the fresh produce aisle with the fresh herbs. That is a great place to get herbs that you have access to right now. It's really good when you're beginning to just start with basic herbs and to play around with them, use them, have an embodied experience of them, not just learning about them, but actually using them, seeing how they work for your body. And as you do that, other herbs will come into your awareness. That's how I've discovered and learned about a lot of new herbs. Or if I have something going on with my body, I'll just do a quick Google search. What herbs are good for this? And then just sort of follow the rabbit hole and find websites where I can learn information about new herbs, and then find a quality place where I can purchase the herb if I do feel called to actually start using it. I find that Banyan Botanicals is an amazing place to do that because you can personalize and take that quiz, find out what's going on in your body. Then they recommend food, lifestyle practices, and herbs to help you correct whatever is going on, whatever imbalances are going on. So I highly recommend checking out Banyan Botanicals. So anyways, thank you for watching this video. I just really wanted to share this message that if you are feeling intimidated in your herbal journey and you're not sure where to start and you don't want to poison yourself, to just start with basic herbs that you know are safe, that you've used in your body, that you already have a relationship with and a gauge of how much is too much or the right amount for yourself. And just remember to take it easy, have fun, keep it simple, and yeah, just have fun learning and knowing that as you continue this journey, as you keep learning about new plants and herbs, then you'll be able to expand more into using maybe other more advanced techniques or blends of herbs. So just keep it simple, have fun. Come say hi. I'm on Instagram at Erinn with 2 N's, and I'll leave in the description all of the links to all of the companies that I mentioned in this video. So hope you're having a beautiful day. I hope this inspires you to play with some herbs that you already have access to, and I would love to hear in the comments, what are some simple herbs that you have access to that you're gonna start with now? Let me know in the comments. Okay, lots of love, and I will see you on next week's video. Bye!